Hi guys! During this video, I will show you step by step of all of the things that you're going to need to do this week. So let's go ahead and get started. For this week, it is going to work a little bit differently. For Spanish 1, we are going to be doing a novel. We're going to be reading La Familia de Federico Rico. So this is our weekly overview. Tomorrow, or Monday, you'll have an ed puzzle, which is basically just this video with questions in it to make sure that I have seen that you guys have watched the whole video and that you know what is expected of you for the week. And you will also be doing vocab practice. Tuesday, you're going to be doing a listening activity with comprehension questions. Oopsies. Then on Wednesday, you'll be doing a Google Meet read aloud with me, and I will share with you your class meet times. And Thursday, you'll be doing a Flipgrid speaking activity. All slides will be due on Thursday because we don't have school on Friday. So you guys have a 3-day weekend, and I want to make sure that you guys enjoy that. So Monday through Thursday this week. And then all of these slides will be pushed out to you guys, and you will have to fill them out and turn them in by Thursday. So let's go ahead and go step by step so that you guys know everything that you need to do. So on Monday, that is going to be the 6th of April, all slides should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. If they take longer, then you need to step back and take a break and email me letting me know that it's taking you longer than the scheduled time. I have installed a slide or a timer on each slide so that you guys can kind of keep track of your time. So I wrote you guys a note. You can read that. Every day will have a checklist on it. So it's very, very simple, drawn out for you. Step 1, watch the ed puzzle that will explain our week. Play Quizlet for 10 minutes, answer questions about new vocab, and then any additional extra activity. That is optional for you guys. You do not have to do that. So the vocabulary for this is on Quizlet. What you'll do is you will click here, and it will take you to the Quizlet link. There is about 24, I'm going to add a couple more, but 24 words. You can either look through them like this, or you can go ahead and do the flashcards, play a game, whatever you want to do. That is up to you. Okay. So you need to do this for 10 minutes. You need to keep track of your time. I did include a timer here. I know that it's a little tricky to use a timer with other links and while you're presenting the slides, but if it helps you, that's great. If it doesn't, maybe set a timer on your phone. So you should be playing for about 10 minutes of Quizlet Live. Then I'm going to ask you guys for vocabulary practice, and all you have to do is type the meaning of the new vocab word. So you will get out of present mode, and all you will do is you will type right next to the word, just like this. So familia just means family. You will type family. Okay. The next day will be Tuesday. So all of that for Monday, and that's it. So Tuesday, I wrote you another note. Today is going to be all about listening. I do encourage you to review some of the vocab on Quizlet if you still need some help on that, but you are not required to. You will do the listening and comprehension questions, and then if you would like to do the optional activity, that is up to you. So for the listening, for Chapter 1, we are going to be reading Chapter 1 this week. I embedded the chapter here for you, and then you have to answer these questions in English. It says in English. I recommend that you put the subtitles on and possibly slow the speed of the video to 0.75, and I will show you how to do that. So it will start off, the guy's voice is a little bit annoying, a little bit different than my voice, but it's funny video. So to put on the subtitles, you just hit this CC, and it will turn on the subtitles.
La familia de Federico.
Right there. Now to slow down the video because it is a little bit fast, you'll hit this settings button, go up to playback speed. It's on normal right now. I recommend that you put it to 0.75 and then it'll play. It's a little bit fuzzy on the sound, but it does help a little bit. The slides for today should only take you about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use a timer to help you. It is right there. Actividades opcionales, more optional activities if you would like. The next day is Wednesday. Another note from me. This is a note explaining about our Google Meet. I do encourage you to review the vocab from the Google slide or from the Quizlet, and then you're going to join our Google Meet. The times and links are on the next slide. So we will have our Google Meet session on Wednesday, April 8th. That is very clear right here. I really, really want to encourage you guys to be here. I am going to be doing a read aloud of the novel with you guys and doing some questions like how I would in class. So it is really important that you do not miss this Google Meet session. So if you are in my second hour class, your Google Meet time is 10 a.m. And all you have to do is click the link and it will take you directly to the Google Meet. Okay, I will also be posting these links on Google Classroom that day. Okay, so there I am. That's what that will look like. If you're in my fifth hour, our time is 12 p.m. You will do the same thing, click, and it'll take you straight there. You guys can bring your lunch if you'd like. We can have like a little lunch and read while I do this. I do have another meeting with principals and teachers right before this. So I will probably be eating lunch with you. And I might be just a couple minutes late depending on when that meeting gets out, but hopefully I won't be late. If you're in my sixth hour, our scheduled time is at 1 p.m. So 10 a.m. for second hour, 12 p.m. for fifth, and 1 p.m. for sixth. If you do have a scheduling issue, please email me beforehand. That way I can just make sure that I'm like, oh, are you skipping? Are you're just not there? Okay. The next thing is that after our Google Meet, I will put the video up here. Just in case you did have a scheduling issue, I will put the Google Meet up here, but I will not keep it up for very long. More additional activities. And then the next day is Thursday. I have another note for you guys. This will be our last activity of the day or of the week. You'll be reviewing vocab, and then you're going to be completing your Flipgrid assignment. So we have not done a Flipgrid in Spanish 1 yet. I was planning on it, but we're not in school right now. So this is what kind of the directions are, and then I will also post the link for you guys that explains it a little bit more. So your Flipgrid is just a video of yourself. You can use your phone or you can use your Chromebook, whatever is easier for you. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be brainstorming some descriptions of your family members. You're going to be introducing your family members to us. And then you're going to show us your family by recording on Flipgrid in Spanish. Please do not email me asking me if this has to be done in Spanish because it definitely does have to be in Spanish. The whole goal is to use a lot of the family vocab that you'll learn this week and then kind of a review on descriptions. So are they, short, tall, old, young? Are they athletic? Are they blonde hair? Do they have green eyes, blue eyes, whatever? So for example, if I was talking about my mom, I would say mi madre se llama Angie. Ella es inteligente. Okay, very simple. And I would show you like a picture or a video of her. So on the next slide, it will have links to all of your classes Flipgrid. If you're in second hour, you will just click here and it will take you directly to your Flipgrid grid. You will log in with Google. Always log in with Google. I'll show you what it looks like on my end. So it'll look like this. I'm here because that's me, your teacher. So it says that you're going to create a Flipgrid video to introduce your family members. Tell us what their name is and how they are related to you. So for example, for my mom, I said, mi madre, my mom, se llama Angie. My mom's name is Angie. So there you go, check. Your relatives can be anyone that you choose. So it doesn't necessarily have to be, your mom or your stepmom. Maybe it's someone that's like a mom, or maybe it is your dog or whoever is involved in your family. When you are introducing them, you will record them or use a photo. If they don't want to be in the video, that's fine. You can have a photo or just kind of explain them if either of those don't work out for you. So use the script on the Google slide to help you. This is the script that I was talking about. This is the script. Okay, so mi madre se llama Angie, ella es inteligente. And then I would move on to the next person in my family. So, say who your family member is and what their name is, then say one sentence to describe them. So if I was talking about my dad, mi padre se llama Robert y él es muy alto. He's very tall. Okay. A description can include a physical description, tall, blue eyes, inside characteristic, if they're nice, if they're shy, if they're mean, whatever the situation is, and then, or what they like. So, mi hermana se llama Bella. Ella le gusta arte. She likes art. Okay. Please do not use a translator. I will be able to tell. These should be very simple sentences. I'm not looking for anything crazy or very detailed. Just tell me who they are, what their name is, and one thing that describes them. Okay. I also included the Quizlet link here for that. So all you will do is you will press um, this green plus sign circle thing, and that will start your video. Okay, that will record you. It'll look like this. You will allow your microphone and your camera. Here you'll be. You'll say, Hola, me llamo Señorita Holt. Y es mi familia. And then you'll be like, Hola, mi padre se llama Robert. Robert es muy alto. Okay, something like that. And then after you're done recording, you'll end the recording and then it'll say submit. It does have 2 minutes up here. You do not have to take up 2 minutes, but I didn't know how long I should let you guys record depending on how many people are in your family. Okay. So that is Flipgrid. If you do have questions, please let me know. Please email me, but it is very self-explanatory. All you have to do is click this green plus sign and then it'll record your video. All right. So after that, also, sorry, that was just second hour, but they all look the same: second hour, fifth hour, and sixth hour. And if you would like to use the QR codes available, that's fine too. They all look the same. So that is the end of our week. Please make sure that you submit these slides on Thursday, the 9th, and then that is all that I have. So check Google Classroom every day. I will have a question posted for you, but the only thing that you have to submit are these slides. Okay? All right. Thank you so much.